What if you could score not just what your agent answered but how it got there, step by step, on a rubric you wrote? I built RubricLab as an open-source eval studio that brings rubric-based scoring to LLM agents. The core idea: you define criteria, factual accuracy, reasoning steps, tool use, and a judge model scores each criterion independently. The architecture separates the run executor from the scoring layer, so you can swap in any judge model without touching your agent code. Side-by-side run comparisons are first class. Pick 2 runs, diff the trajectories, see exactly where they diverge. This project was built by an autonomous multi-agent pipeline I designed, handling everything from scaffolding to config. To run it locally, clone the repo, install dependencies with pip, set your API key, and launch with the start script. The quick start spins up both the eval backend and the web UI in one command. Repo is at github.com/ritikpaddle/rubric-lab. If rubric-based agent eval is useful to you, give it a star. Ritik Paddle.